Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase muscle growth fast. To build muscle quickly, you need to consistently challenge your body with progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. Proper nutrition, especially protein intake, is also crucial. Aim for about 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Don't forget the importance of quality sleep, targeting 7 to 9 hours each night for optimal recovery. When it comes to training, consistency is key. Aim to lift weights 3 to 5 times per week, focusing on major muscle groups. Incorporate compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, as these engage multiple muscles simultaneously. For muscle hypertrophy or growth, target 6 to 12 repetitions per set. Ensure proper form to prevent injuries and maximize muscle activation during each movement. Nutrition plays a vital role in muscle growth. To build muscle, you must consume more calories than you burn, creating a caloric surplus. Ensure your diet includes a balance of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, which directly impacts muscle development. Also, remember to stay well hydrated, drinking at least 3.7 liters of water daily supports all bodily functions, including muscle repair. Recovery is just as important as your workouts. Give your muscles adequate time to repair and grow, typically 48 to 72 hours between intense sessions for the same muscle group. Managing stress is also crucial, as high stress levels can hinder muscle growth. Consider incorporating supplements like creatine, which can enhance strength and muscle size. Remember, a holistic approach to training, nutrition, and recovery yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.